Visit chatgpt1.co for information and solution on AI. Please like, share, and subscribe. Question: what is ChatGPT Plus? ChatGPT Plus is a pilot subscription plan for ChatGPT. It offers availability even when demand is high, faster response speed, and priority access to new features. Question: is the free version still available? Yes, free access to ChatGPT will still be provided. By offering this subscription pricing, we will be able to help support free access availability to as many people as possible. See our general ChatGPT article for more information on our free offering. Question: when can I get off the waitlist? We're inviting users in small groups, based on capacity and availability. We don't have a fixed schedule, so we can't tell you exactly when you'll get your invite. But don't worry, we won't forget you. We're grateful for your patience and excitement. Question: how can I cancel my subscription? You may cancel your subscription at any time. Click My Account in the sidebar. Then click Manage My Subscription in the pop-up window. You'll be directed to a Stripe checkout page where you can select Cancel Plan. Your cancellation will take effect the day after the next billing date. You can continue using our services until then. To avoid being charged for your next billing period, cancel your subscription at least 24 hours before your next billing date. Subscription fees are non-refundable. Question: what is the refund policy? Subscription fees are non-refundable. Question: my account got terminated. Can I get a refund? If we terminate your account for violating our terms of use, you still owe any unpaid fees, and will not be given a refund for any remaining credit or prepaid service. Question: I still haven't got access to ChatGPT Plus. When can I get access? We are gradually rolling out paid subscriptions to all users, starting with the United States. In the meantime, you can sign up to our waitlist. We appreciate your patience as we ramp up. Question: how can I opt out my data to improve model performance? Please fill out this form. Additionally, you may request your account to be deleted at any time. Question: where can I find my invoice for ChatGPT Plus? Receipts for credit purchases made are sent to the email address you used when making the purchase. You may also view your invoices from the sidebar by clicking My Account and then Manage My Subscription. Question: are alternate payment options available? At this time, we only accept payment via credit card. Question: I want to use ChatGPT Plus with sensitive data. Who can view my conversations? As part of our commitment to safe and responsible AI, we may review conversations to improve our systems and to ensure the content complies with our policies and safety requirements. For more information on how we handle data, please see our privacy policy and terms of use. Visit chatgpt1.co for information and solution on AI. Please like, share, and subscribe.